Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Amit and today I am going to show you how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube videos. So for that, first open Google Chrome and search youtube.com. Here, here in the right hand side you can see the channel icon here. Click on that icon and select the first option, your channel. Now from here, if you are a new YouTuber, you have to enable the custom thumbnail option. For that you have to click YouTube Studio. Now we are in the dashboard. Here you can see the settings. In here, choose the second option, channel. Here you can see 4 options. Select the fourth option, feature eligibility. If you are a first visitor to this option, you can see this enable sign has disabled. Here you can see a verify phone number. Click on that. While clicking on that, it will ask you from which country you belong, and then it will ask you your phone number. Submit your phone number, then you will get the OTP on this phone number. Submit the OTP, then it will show that successfully enabled for it. Let me close it. And if you already enable this, then directly go to your channel. Sorry guys, it is little bit buffering. Yeah, you can directly click customize channel. And click here on the top, your video manager. Yeah, here you can see all your videos in a row. So first select the video which you want to add a custom thumbnail. So you can see here a pencil icon. Click on that icon. All the details will be shown here about this video. Scroll down. Here you can see upload thumbnail icon. Click on that. After clicking, your files will be open. Select the thumbnail. So I got the thumbnail. You can design your own thumbnail. Then select this and click open. As you can see, it is came here, your thumbnail. After that, just click on the save button. Now your thumbnail is added to this video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and share, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hush.